Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm on the skincare and hair team at Sephora.
Now, Lauren, a lot of people think that there's only one way for you to use a translucent setting powder, right? Mm-hmm. And that's like setting your makeup.
Yep.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
But there's actually lots of ways that you can use it. Now, I know a lot of you are going to be receiving the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Natural Finish in your play box this month. Now, I'm gonna show you some really fun ways that you can customize it and use it in ways that you wouldn't necessarily think of. So one really quick way to take your look from coffee to cocktails is to kind of amplify the lashes, right?
Definitely need that.
Okay, cool. Well, it just adds a little bit more volume and drama to the eye. Now you can actually use powder to build volume on the lashes.
Nice.
Yeah, let me show you how really quick. I'm gonna take the setting powder, tap it into the lid, so you can see there's a little bit left in the residual. Now for this tip, I'm actually gonna use the pad of my finger to grab the product. You just get a lot more control that way. So I'm gonna take that. You can see I've got a good amount on the tip of my finger. Taking the pad of my finger and working at the root of the lashes and pulling up through the tips. Now what's happening is the powder particles are gathering right at the roots of the lashes and adhering to the mascara that's already there. So you're gonna start off looking a little crazy because you know your lashes are gonna start out a little ghosty. But we're gonna put a couple coats of mascara on there, so don't worry about that. So then you can follow with any of your favorite mascara formulas. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. So you can come in with the tip of the wand and kind of target little areas and pull the mascara all the way through. Oh my God, this looks gorgeous. I think you're gonna be really excited.
Yes.
Take a look.
Oh yeah.
Beauty.
Oh yeah.
It's so gorgeous.
Party ready.
Yes. Okay, so are you ready for the next one?
So ready.
So tip number 2 is all about the lips. Now what we're gonna do is dust a little bit of lip powder along the edge of the lip here. You're gonna hold that lip line in place, preventing it from feathering. So you can eat, drink, be merry, and not worry about your lipstick being all over your face.
Oh, yes.
Not cute.
Yeah.
So this last hack is actually a troubleshooting tip. So how many times have you went to apply your blush or your bronzer and went a little too heavy-handed?
Oh, one too many times, for sure.
Exactly. You got kind of like a stripe going on the face.
Not cute.
Yeah, right. So what we're gonna do is fake out a little bit of a boo-boo, and I'll show you how to correct that, okay? So we're gonna use a little bit of Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. I'm just gonna use the brush that it comes with. And we're just gonna go for it. Oh, this is definitely the look. Take a look.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, not my favorite.
Love. Okay.
Not my favorite look.
Well, let me show you how to soften it a little bit, okay?
Okay.
So what you can do is you can actually use the translucent powder as a little bit of a light coverage because it does have some, you know? So what you're gonna do is take it to diffuse the edges of the bronzer. So I'm gonna use, this is actually a pro highlight brush, something that's larger, a little bit fluffier for face. Now for this step you wanna use quite a bit because again, you're trying to build a little bit of coverage.
Fixing it up.
Yep, now take a look.
Oh yeah, you saved it.
Definitely took it down a little bit, sort of softened it and prevented any of those harsh lines from sort of breaking up the face.
Yeah.
Right? So maybe you won't freak out. Maybe you'll just reach for your Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder.
Definitely reach for that.
Exactly. Hopefully that helped you guys out. We'll see you next time.
Bye.